Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your AWS EC2 using S3 lifecycle policies, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Identify the instance you want to back up. Select the instance and click on the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down, choose Image and Templates. Then select Create Image. Provide a unique name and description for. Configure additional options such as reboot settings if necessary. Click on the Create Image button to start the process. Next, navigate to the S3 dashboard in the AWS Management Console. Create a new S3 bucket for storing your backups. Choose a unique name for your bucket and select the appropriate region. Configure permissions based on your security requirements. Once your bucket is created, click on the bucket name to access its settings. Go to the Management tab within your S3 bucket. Click on Lifecycle Rules to establish a new policy. Select Create Lifecycle Rule to begin configuring your policy. Provide a name for the lifecycle rule and set the rule scope. You can choose to apply it to all objects or a specific prefix. Set the desired actions for this rule, such as transitioning objects. Choose the frequency for transitioning or deleting objects. For example, transition to a cheaper storage class after 30 days. Review your settings carefully before saving. Click on Create Rule to finalize your lifecycle policy. Return to the EC2 dashboard and check your AMI status. Ensure that it is available and properly created. Regularly monitor your S3 bucket to ensure backups are being stored as intended. Evaluate and adjust your lifecycle policies based on your usage and needs. This approach ensures your EC2 instances are regularly backed up in a cost-effective manner using S3 lifecycle policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.